guys, it's Sheree and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a regular day in my life. I'm just going to do like a regular vlog. Oh my god, my camera's going to die. This is so freaking annoying every time I want to film. But today's going to be like a non-business related video. So today is Christmas Eve, so it's the day before Christmas Eve, and I want to make sugar cookies for Christmas. And I need to wrap a few last minute presents, so that's gonna be more like a Christmassy video for you guys today. And yeah, now I'm gonna have to go charge my freaking battery because it's gonna die. I'm gonna set up everything and I'm gonna show you guys how I make the cookies. I'm not gonna show you guys the exact ingredients just because I'm not like a baker channel or whatever, so I don't really know how to do all that, but it's just going to be like a really fast motion, and then later we are going to cut them and decorate because they do have to sit in the fridge for a few hours to like so the dough like gets hard or whatever. But yeah, so that should be fun. I'm going to see if my niece and nephew will come over and decorate them with us. Tomorrow is actually Braylon's birthday, so tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and my nephew was born on Christmas Eve, so I'm not sure what they're planning on doing tomorrow. But also my boyfriend's family celebrates Christmas tomorrow, so we'll see how tomorrow goes. Maybe I'll vlog it. I kind of want to vlog tomorrow, well today, tomorrow, and Christmas. We'll see because I'm not really comfortable filming like by his family. I don't know, I just get embarrassed. But like my family, I don't really care. I'm always just filming when they're here. So yeah, let's just get along with my day. Okay, so I'm gonna make the sugar cookies. So I'm gonna start the batter and then it has to sit in the fridge for about 2 hours or so before I could cut them and cook them basically. So I'm gonna start the batter. I'm gonna cook them later, and then the kids, Amaya and Braylon, my niece and nephew, they're gonna come over and help decorate them. We're gonna do like a little family thing, decorating the cookies and things like that. So I'm gonna do this little fast motion of me making the batter or the dough basically. So you could just use your favorite sugar cookie recipe. This recipe is from my mom's aunt. I guess like this is, I don't know if it's like her recipe or where she got it from, but she's the one that started making these cookies and they are so good. So she eventually gave us the recipe and now I'm making them, and then my aunt makes them, my mom's sister makes them too. But yeah, since it's quarantine or whatever, we are doing Christmas separately. So that kind of sucks, but oh well, what are we gonna have to do? That's just what we have to do, I guess. So I never know what to say. Like, let's just get started. Let's bake some cookies. I'm super excited because this part is kind of boring, but when we start cutting them and decorating them, that's like the fun part. So let's get the boring part out of the way and let's get started. Look how long my hair has gotten too. My hair is still kind of wet right now. I just did it, so. But it's pretty long. Let's get to baking. Okay, for you to see like my whole body or my face, I have to be back here. But I have all the ingredients. We have powdered sugar, we have flour, sugar, vanilla, baking soda, butter, cream of tartar, salt, egg, and that's basically all the ingredients you need. And I've only made this one other time, so the first time I made it, it was a bit of a mess. I want to go turn on the Christmas tree really fast. Hold on. Could you see it? Yeah. Okay, so I've only made this recipe one other time, which was the first time I made it. I did film that one, but I didn't like the way it was like too chaotic, all that. So I'm going to redo it. Yeah, so this will be my second time, so I'll have a better understanding and a better idea of like how to do it. The first time I tried to cut the cookies when I just made it and that did not work. So yeah, don't try that. You need to let it sit in the fridge, or if you want it like to be like If you wanted to chill a little faster, last time I put it in the freezer and then just kept grabbing little chunks and put it in the freezer, grab little chunks, and did it that way. It did take a lot more time doing it that way, but it worked, and the cookies did turn out really nice. This time we got more sprinkles and different color frosting, so like more Christmas theme. Last time we had like pinks and purple and green. Now we have like red, green, I think there's blue, and yeah, just more Christmassy colors. I'm going to be making the cookies for my house, and then I will be making them to take over to my boyfriend's house for tomorrow. So yeah, let's start making these cookies. So this will be a fun little activity that I want to do with my niece and nephew. I wasn't able to decorate gingerbread houses with them because we had a little bit of a COVID scare. So we were kind of distancing ourselves to get tested and make sure we didn't have it. We ended up not having it, so thank God. But that was the day they decorated the gingerbread houses, and I was looking forward to that. So I was like, let's do the cookies since I'm going to be making them anyways. Okay, so this is what the batter is looking like. It's a little thicky, so I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a few hours before I even try to cut it. Probably about, what time is it? 11, 12, 1, 2. Maybe about like 3 o'clock I'll start cooking it. So that's gonna be 4 hours in the fridge. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid. My mom just got these bowls, so they have like the lids and everything. So that's perfect. Perfect. Okay, one fact about me too. I love cooking, but I hate cleaning up afterwards. It's so annoying. So I'm gonna put the lid on, place it in the fridge for about 4 hours, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make them. I'll talk to you guys too in between what I do. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so let's just put this in the fridge. Jasper. All right, so now I'm gonna be wrapping a few Christmas presents. So I have I'm gonna be able to show you guys this because my boyfriend will open this tomorrow, so this video probably won't go out until tomorrow. I think so. Yeah, he don't watch my videos anyways. But I got him a computer mouse for his PC. My sister's boyfriend suggested this one, so I got this one. And then I got him this cologne. It's a Versace cologne. I think I'm gonna open it to smell it first. I have no idea what this smells like. I just thought Versace is very fancy, and then I read the reviews and it was really good, so. Yeah, it's so dirty. And the bottle was super fancy. Look how fancy. Look how fancy that is. So this is the Versace Eros, E-R-O-S. You guys want to see? So I got this one. Let me smell it. This is like my first impression. Oh yeah, that sounds good. So this was a good choice. This was like last minute. It was so hard for me to find something for him. I didn't know what in the world to get him. He's very picky and I don't know. All that apple skin got you. Yeah. All right, so Dave's over here making our little apple pie.
That's a teaspoon, babe.
Little apple pie.
What's it called?
Filling.
Yeah, nut in my butter. Oi.
They like them.
Nut in the butter.
Stupid.
God damn it.
And Kayla's over here doing everything. Going back and forth.
This one is a tablespoon.
I thought it was a teaspoon.
So this is what happens the day before Christmas Eve.
Butter.
I missed it.
Hurt my arm. Careful, man. Don't do that. Hey, hurry up. My butter's...
So tomorrow is Braylon's birthday, and they're trying to do the cookies so she doesn't have to make him on his birthday. It's gonna be your birthday tomorrow. How old are you gonna turn?
5.
5. And what are we doing for dinner for your birthday?
Don't pack it.
Hey.
The barbecue pork sandwiches.
Yeah.
And French fries.
No crumbs. Eat it up.
And then what kind of cake did you get?
Here you go.
I got a hot wheel cake.
Now the kids say it, actually?
He got a Hot Wheels cake. He was able to pick it out. I think it's vanilla. I think it's vanilla flavored. And yeah, Braylon loves vanilla. He doesn't like chocolate on it. My mind wants to say something. What do you want to say? Nothing.
No, you read.
And Chico's over here enjoying because he gets all the crumbs that fall. Huh, Cheek?
TikTok music on.
Cheek, Cheek. No, that's copyrighted.
Water, 1 cup of sugar, and then you bring it to a boil. So it's supposed to be on simmer right now.
Oh, so I don't need that water?
No, you do, but you're supposed to be simmering it.
Look at it.
With that little baby whisk.
It's not about the size, it's how you use it.
Simmer is on low.
Kayla, you spilling that water.
Simmer is not on low, Kayla.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Talk in the mic, Dave.
It's not on low.
Babe!
He's like a mess.
Spoon.
Hurry up.
Tablespoon.
Here in my ice.
These cookies.
Apples for you.
What you call me?
Back away, man.
Why is yours all
What the
dry?
heck are you complaining for?
These cookies keep getting hot.
Sauce on it.
I think it's because it's too hot in here to make these.
Hey, where's that other measuring thing?
Open the window so everyone's body.
Hey, back stuff.
I'll open
This?
I don't know what size it is.
You good?
Huh? Oh. Yeah, this tablespoon right here. You fill a tablespoon.
Oh no!
So you're gonna have to edit this out, shit, because you're not saying anything?
What?
You have to edit this whole part out because you're not doing it right now?
Oh, yeah. I'm getting irritated.
You can be cooking butter like I am.
And then we put the reindeer.
Shay, you need to start pulling your weight.
I am. I'm making these cookies.
You got white cloth left. You said you want to wait.
And I'm stressed.
This is take the stress right off. Ooh, no, actually.
It's chaotic over here. Babe, show the pies. Show the pies.
Yeah,
Show the vlog the pies. You gotta try it. These are the pies, babe.
There you go. Okay, these are the pies. 1, 2, 3, action.
Do ASMR.
You say it. Say these are the
I know, you gotta say these are the pies.
3, 2, 1, action.
And show Jade scooping
These are the pies.
Okay, these are the apple pies.
I like mine better.
You don't need to say it. It's kind of like, it's obvious.
I
Like,
know, but still.
Nah, these are the
I'm not gonna be like,
Up because
I'm
you're
like,
waiting.
these are the apple pies.
These are the apple pies.
Yes, you do have to say that because nobody wants to watch your videos. Just 20 minutes.
Are they good? Are they good?
That's a lot.
Looks like Jenga to me.
Putting too much.
Oh.
Over here decorating some cookies. Braylon! Okay, Braylon, that's too. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Braylon.
No shot.
No, that is way too much frosting. Kayla, look at your son.
There's 50.
Is that what that was?
Yeah, there's gaps. That's what this black spot.
Kayla, look at your son.
What?
Do you not see his cookie right there?
Fake laugh.
Heavy.
You're making yours. Let's see yours. Wow, my that look good. Braylon, you gotta take some of that off. So we have this giant Jenga.
And a giant.
They're trying to get me to play. Ooh, Chico.
And I want to play it.
All over my ear.